Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross back in the building with another video. And right now we have a watch unboxing for y'all. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this joint and see what's up with it. This your boy Pete Ross. Alright, people, and here we go with the unboxing. We're about to see what's up with it, what we got. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, as you can see, it's a watch. It didn't come packaged as well as I thought it would, just in some bubble wrap. So let's just go ahead and continue to open this joint up. Where's it? Okay, right here. Cool. Okay. Tevise S3710907. Okay. Let's get this off of here. And here it is, people, live in the flesh. The Tevise automatic. I opted for the green version of this watch. Something a little different for the collection or whatever. You know what I mean? Wow. Okay. There it is. Now, take this shit off. Let's get this out of here. This bull crap. What did I just cut off? I cut off their little logo thingies. You know what I mean? This came straight out of China too. So take that off. And let's take a good look at this baby, yo. Yeah, nothing on the front. Okay. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Wow, it has a exhibition case back on it. Wow. Let's see how that. Ooh. That doesn't sound that bad. Let's see. Looks like it lines up perfectly. It's a little play in there. But for the price you get these things for, that's really nothing to complain about. Let me see. Has a screw down crown. Okay, no, it's not a screw down crown. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Expect a review on this joint coming soon. Just want to do the unboxing for you guys. I'm gonna try it on the wrist right quick, so just stand by. And here this joint is on the wrist. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? That looks dope. I like that. By all means, this is a Rolex Submariner homage watch. You know what I mean? It feels great. Links are good and solid. You know what I mean? I really like it. You know, so when we get ready, we're gonna do a serious review on this piece. You know what I mean? So get into it. This your boy Pete Ross. You know what I'm saying? Tevise, you know what I mean? Whatever you want to call it, unboxing. So get into it. It's your boy Pete Ross. Peace. Love one another. And I'm out.